Hello guys. So this day was one of those days that I was craving Nigerian chin chin. So let me show you how I make mine. So the first thing I did is to add my plain flour, and then I had baking powder, salt, and then mix with my whisk, sugar, then mix again. I had my margarine. I don't use unsalted butter, just margarine. Then I mix together with my hand at this stage until I get that crumb like texture. Then I had nutmeg just to give me that unique flavor, then whole milk, egg, and I mix it together. And halfway through, I had water. So just mix everything together until I just achieve the texture that I want. Then allow it to sit out for like 2 to 5 minutes while I dust my chopping board. So this is my dough and my rolling pin. I also apply flour to my rolling pin before rolling out the dough. This stage, I rolled out my dough. I realized that it was going to be too wild for my board, so I had to cut into two because I needed it to be as thin as possible. Then I dusted it with flour. Then I used pastry cutter, cut it out because I needed a shape that was very thin. I was going to make two different shapes. Then I used this other pastry cutter to cut it to the height that I wanted. Then I had to separate it because it was sticking together. And I didn't want to add too much flour because I knew that was going to help, but then I didn't want to add too much flour to it. Me just separating it so you can see the shape that I achieved with this. Then I rolled out the second dough. Then I wanted this one to be like a cube like shape. I think this is the common shape in Nigeria. Also, I had to like separate it because I didn't want to add too much flour again. I feel like flour makes your oil to get too foamy. I rather separate it. This is it. I have two different shades that I love. I allowed my oil to heat up for some minutes. Then I tested it just to be sure that it was ready to fry my chin chin. I just continued frying till I got the color. That should be the golden color, the golden brown color that I wanted. This is the color that I like. Not too brown, not too light brown. And then it was time to fry the second shape. That's the cube-like shape, the most common one. This recipe is actually my go-to chin chin recipe anytime, any day. Just because it gives me that Nigerian vibe. It's just like away from home. Home, like I'm away from home. So I just want to have that homely vibe. So let me know in the comment section if you would like me to send it to you. Bye.